Is your iPhone constantly telling you the storage is full? It's so annoying, right? Well, don't worry. Here's how you can free up a ton of space in just a minute. First, let's see what's eating up all your memory. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. This will show you a breakdown of everything. Next, look for any big apps you hardly ever use. Found one. Just tap on it and hit Delete tab. You can always re-download it later if you need it. Now, for the biggest space hog, photos and videos. Move your precious memories to a cloud service or your computer. Then, go through your gallery and delete any blurry photos or accidental videos. You'll be surprised how much space you get back. Finally, let's clear out your browser. Go back to Settings, find Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. And that's it. Following these simple steps can instantly free up several gigabytes. For more quick tech fixes like this, make sure to subscribe to Simple Tech Fix. Thanks for watching.